Turkish 10 Heavy, light turn 24 left, flat point.
Go ahead, Turkish 10 today.
Turkish 10 Heavy, light turn 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up runway 24 left, Turkish 10 Heavy.
Delta 2101, hold short, runway 24 left.
Hold short 24 left, Delta 2101. Takeoff runway 24 left, Turkish 10 Heavy.
Got 5713 on tower, traffic will cross downfield, runway 24 left, line for wait, caution, wake turbulence, on heavy Boeing 777.
24 left, line for wait, compass 5713.
Lake Tower, Southwest 9009 for 24 right.
Southwest 9009, LA Tower, runway 24 right, clear left.
Alpha, New Zealand 2. Tower Southwest 5773, visual 24 right.
Southwest 5773, right tower, 24 right, clear line, caution, wake turbulence, preceded by heavy Boeing 777.
Middle line 24 right, Southwest 5773.
Delta 2101 at Alpha Alpha, cross runway 24 left, ground point 65.
At Alpha Alpha, clear cross 24 left, ground point 65, Delta 2101.
And if you insist to cross runway 24 left, ground point 65. Turkish 10 Heavy, contact SoCal departure. Turkish 10 Heavy, contact departure.
And Tower Delta 1357 is looking for a handoff.
Who was that?
Delta 1357.
1357, contact departure.
1357, going to departure. Tower, Southwest 5547, dog lag for the visual, runway 4 right.
South 5713, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Del Rey, 24 left, clear for takeoff, compass 5713.
Plus 4818, on turn 24 left, line point.
Left line wait, 4818.
Southwest 5547, turn 24 right, clear to land.
The land, road 24 right, Southwest 5547. Approach for Southwest 5773.
Southwest 5773, unable. Turn left, Zulu. Hold short, runway 24 left. Company's close and trail.
Zulu short, 24 left, 5773.
Southwest 4818, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Del Rey, 24 left, clear for takeoff, so 4818.
South 5713, contact departure.
Good day, 5713.
Southwest 5773 at Zulu, cross runway 24 left, ground point 65.
Cross 24 left at Zulu, ground point 65 on the other side, Southwest 5773.
Southwest 4818, contact Clark.
Good day.
Southwest 9009, reverse approved if you would like, cross 24 left, ground point 65.
Okay, we'll take the reverse, cross 24 left to ground, Southwest 9009. Los Angeles, good evening, Alaska 1792, 24 right.
Alaska 1792, LA Tower and 24 right, cleared to land.
24 right, clear to land, Alaska 1792.
Southwest 5547, reverse if you would like, cross 24 left, ground point 65.
Alright, first cross 24 left, point 65, Southwest 5547. Compass 6226, take care.
Compass 626, LA Tower, wind 2309er, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Compass 6226.
Delta 701, LA Tower and 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24 left, Delta 701.
Delta 701 on Av Del Rey, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 24 left, RNAV Del Rey, Delta 701.
Uh, 1792, hold short, runway 24 left.
Hold short, 24 left, Alaska 1792.
Got a spit 4792, LA Tower, RNAV to Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Del Rey, takeoff, Skyway 4292.
Delta 701, contact SoCal departure.
Contact departure, Delta 701. Tower, good afternoon, right now it's 1795 heavy, and subject localized runway 24 left.
Go ahead, 7095 heavy, Tower 24 right, clear to land.
Yes, that's 24 right. Right now it's 1795 heavy.
Helicopter 744 Hotel Sierra LA Tower, clear to Los Angeles Bravo airspace via the shoreline route north at or below 150 feet from the twin sat to the marina. Current altimeter 2986. Alaska 1792, cross runway 2 for left, ground point 65.
Cross 2 for left, over ground, get it, left, 1792.
756, cross 2 for left, ground point 65.
Cross 2 for left, point 65, complex 26.
That's 4792, contact SoCal Park.
For the park navigation, 3792.
Red nose 7095 heavy, cross runway 2 for left, ground point 65.
Cross 2 for left, ground 1265.
Alright, Takeoff, that's 4837 approaching Mazas on the RNAV Zulu 24 right.
That was 4835, stretched up 4837, line turn 24 right, clear to land.
To the land, 24 right, Southwest 4837.
Delta 1977, line turn 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24 left, 1977.
Delta 1947, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
XM 1977, clear for takeoff, 24 left.
Correction, Delta 1977, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
1977, clear for takeoff, 24 left.
Southwest 4862, line turn 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait, Southwest 4862.
I got 4 Hotel Sierra, frequency change approved. Southwest 4862 RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Delray, 24 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 4862.
Delta 1977, contact departure.
Go departure, Delta 1977.
Tower, stay with.
Wind 260 at 14. Southwest 4862, contact departure.
Good day, Southwest 4862.
Southwest 4837, cross point 24 left, ground point 65.
Cross 24 left, ground point 65, direct, Southwest 4837.